ready to claim your corner of the internet and give your Wix website a professional identity. Let's dive into how to snag your perfect domain name directly through Wix. First, head over to your Wix dashboard. You can find the option to connect a domain on the left-hand side panel, or in your site settings, click on Connect Domain to get started. You'll now be presented with options. If you don't already have a domain, select Buy a new domain now. The fun begins. Type in your desired domain name into the search bar. Try variations of your brand name or keywords relevant to your business. Wix will show you a list of available domain extensions, such as com, net, org, and more. Each extension has a price listed, so you can choose one that fits your budget and needs. Consider com for a standard, widely recognized option, or niche extensions if they're relevant to your industry. Once you've selected your domain, you'll be guided through the registration process. This involves entering your contact information, like your name, address, and email, as well as your billing details. Make sure all your information is accurate. Next, you'll have the option to add domain privacy protection. This protects your personal information from being publicly displayed in the WA database and is highly recommended to avoid spam and unwanted solicitations. After completing your purchase, Wix will automatically connect your new domain to your website. It might take a few minutes for everything to propagate, but you'll be up and running with your personalized domain in no time, making your brand shine online.